We are pleased to show you the 2025 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.